My people, he don't settle. Hey. Melissa, don't go ahead, do burial, oh, Melissa. Hey, Melissa, niya what we go the moon, oyale we burial, oh, yedo. Melissa, why you go ahead, do burial? The fear of social media president, I want why you got ra, if you don't need webo. Okpayawe lewe beri ije o viedo wayalare o ove sakpo. Ove sakpo iviedo wadore no sunu social media. Melissa alleged criminal. Oyawe lewe beri ije o. Oyale berije o. Justice for social media president we have gold. Ikata muwa bua. Iwo kuona na te Melissa. O boy manwa. Wamaja meji. Iwo boy manwa o yedo. Oyale berije o. Oyale berije social media rock ma poste. Social media ma poste o yale we berije viedo. The fear of social media president. The fear of social media president. The fear of social media president. Ake so boy univena viedo. Ake so akbe. Waka listite uwayana ne. Ebie so sunuwe. O social media na. Uwagewe joke no joke. No be joke. Who are getting a joke iviedo? Every soon social media. Iviedo. One listen to Evini Akpema wana. One listen. Let's go.
Let's welcome Mama Philomena.
Philo. What ye Philore?
Beat her.
Philomena what ye kuwege gospel one or salwa.
Come on.
What ye Philore? E Philonoa. Iye gospel one or zwa. Iye. Congratulations to us. Congratulations to us. Lare amaiswe gwa matie filogun me e filo no zua ije gospel no zua don't listen now your good go kill you mama gospel power when you come waya idenu wa here idenu wa the fact that it belu waya we do saba space one neru we no your boy we neru your boy e filo no zua don't listen. Watiere efilo no zua. Watiere. Iye gospel no man negbe. Nyevoi. Owa we sakpo. Shema disgrace wa. Awe Melissa yale we beria. Melissa good. Oyale we beria. Melissa J. Melissa J. Oyale we beria. Owa we sakpo. Owa we sakpo. Melissa J. Oyale we beria. Oyale we beria o. Oyale we beria o. Melissa Godi. Yeah, Melissa J. Melissa J. Nagi Melissa good. Melissa J. Oyale we beria. What you Melissa J. Gunve Melissa J. Oyale we beria. Melissa J. When we popular say. Oyale we beria. A presenter of my post say. A presenter of my post say. Melissa J. Melissa J. Ije gospel wagi wo. Yo. Watiere. Wagiaso gay. Wagiaso boy you gay. Je gospel wagi gay.
Philomena.
Philo.
Philo,
What's
let's welcome bitter mama today.
What's
Philo, no one.
Oh,
Come on.
let's start.
Welcome to the show. Why are you here, Philo? Now we are sweet mother. Let's go. Philo, no one.
No go vera no zua ogo no many egbe no awatiere we no mare don't listen Ayawe beri amata me filo. Apere ta maya pretend. Watiere. Filo. Iye gospel wa no zuwa o watiere o. Filo. Filo no wa. Etete no zua. Filo no zua. Etete no zua. Wati egume. Etete no zua. What? Awafo.
Philo no one. Philo degbe. Larry degbe of UK.
Anaiswe. Etete no zua.
Ministry. Jail.
Ogun gbije kevi yu awa. Ogun megbe. Ogun gbije kevi yu awa. Ogun megbo keso agun. Esasa ka la egbe mozo. Abazo. Esasa ka la je kevi egbe. Let me dance. Efilo no zwa o. Efilo boy. Efilo no zwa o. Efilo oya.
Let's welcome Mama.
Philo. Now people better dance before we start.
Bitter.
Mother bitter man. Mother bitter.
Come on.
Sweet mother waiting. Philo no zua. Iye God's power. Everywhere they know. Everywhere they know. Where? Everywhere they know. What's your pilore?
A ministry, Jaelo, all this is select ministry no kawa to become select and no know to member.
Doride, mona go coffee local. I tell una say Philo na yeye woman, I not believe me. If they look for Mozo Bola, I tell una not believe me. She una one year to rina. I say Philo no zuwa watiere. If you not swallow, you gospel no why we don't listen? We ever go to church shit. Mona call listen as they go church shit. Je voi o no go vera watiere vera woman. Woman when wa go vera, ye voi if you not swallow, you gospel no why. You gospel no swallow. What ye goume social media president of Hagirema, Morije, Tamewe, et do presiroe, Adiasa, Okwa Basia. If you don't can't listen to your matter. Don't listen, who bear Philo, mo don't prince. Idene, no we elede, idenwe. We want live, we want head it, elede to show. Ekbarubara, we wa head it, we wa kaloge, we wa Erita, there is a berita. Erita, we doctor, you are illiterate. Rita Kokobiri, Zimbabwe wife. Matwa merena. So, a Zimbabwe wife, na illiterate. Imege Rita illiterate, Rita, him and Rita is a doctor. Ah, unumena, mena Rita is a doctor. Rita! So, you are illiterate. Rita wahi. Me dene Rita. Now, before we go, let's play what did they happen right now. When are they listening? Now maybe Don Prince. It's a more Don Prince. Iyana. Obome adiyan. Why worry? I say this social media, I go come show na people where they will be say, iya wa mwe fasi yari ya o iji Rita. Eri waje a mozo gbe wa ni sikoye. Awa mozo gbele wa ni sikoye. But the one where they pay me now, say Rita is an illiterate. Rita will be telling people that he's a doctor. Ogorak bije Rita. Rita, uwe doctor. Hey, de social media area. Social media goes scatter. Rita is an illiterate. Hey, Rita is doctor, illiterate, no. Yes, okay, Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe wife is an illiterate. Ije, ekuno walu weveri ya okay Zimbabwe. So now we first in the social media. People with the social media are saying that better people be presenter. So presenter na illiterate wakwe just say ya oh baba. Una way they wash us. Many of una go school pass many presenters. Say oh baba. Many of una go school pass many presenters. See the way a lead they use. Oh, Rita was Rita, me illiterate, Rita. So you be illiterate. Yeah, then where? Zimbabwe wife. You wa fulegbe. Me illiterate one no. Me that way a doctor. In our doctor, doctor no maje school. A doctor no a pet in the hospital. A doctor no okpe bed. Oh, a doctor no zua. My people, before we go, doctor we zua, we not get sense. We not fair wait. Make we na call Philomena call for me. Gospel my man no zua. Gospel why you gospel wa don't listen ugbe o. Tama we mo don prisi, tama we ga rain we. Wait bata. Don't listen. Rikbe. Let's start with rikbe again. For those of now we just the console. Wanna listen rikbe.
Let's welcome Mama Philomena.
Yeah.
Philo.
Yeah.
Let's welcome bitter madam, bitter.
Hey.
Philo
no sua. What here? Wanna give me call? Wanna give me call? Share the video. Oh. Everyone wants scatter. Hey. Share the video. What you Google, man? Hello, Mona bring cup for me. I beg me to drink gin. I want to drink cocaine. I never drink since when this woman take back. I want to drink cocaine. Hello, Yarowa. Mona bring cup for me. I beg. I want to drink cocaine. My people, Mona listen to Matter Day. Share the video. Mona listen to people when they follow for social media. Everyone lele tam waya me don't prince. Na me be don't prince. See, I say those are one person they follow me, we believe in me. That one person I got choosing, I choosing one. Na me be don't prince. Irioge saga. Now maybe don't prince. If not only one person I like me, that one person I choosing one, I'm okay. Irioge saga. I cannot impress when I call the lie. Or the name of say the way Queen Tosho you they do so. You they edit different things. You they come out the full Rita. I get Rita Majesco, Rita Zoa. Eriak Bonjerie do. Because you see I say Rita na illiterate. You they post me to Rita Queen Tosho. Because you see, I say Rita na illiterate. He dey fake I say na daughter, not be daughter. When I fell leave Rita, I'm coming to Rita's side. I will open a page. Let's go to Mama Gospel one no Zua. No yarisa we from Victor. Iye Gospel one no yarisa. Don't listen to Rikbe. Je Gospel one. Come and listen to Rikbe. Nugbe o tena. When I listen. Rikbe. I bet Mona bring cup for me, cup. I want to have. I want her. Close this video up, my lovers. Close it up. Close the video up. Don't say. Melissa no ya we beria. Watiere Melissa ya le we beria. Because of fear of social media president, Melissa ya le we beria. Ije wa man no esunu na everywhere don't cast. Everywhere don't cast up in Melissa the wrong. Melissa ki le do agwale Melissa here. Wa man no sunu ve do. Agwale Melissa ki ve do ya le. You think say your person good you dey free? You think say you walk back person good you go free? Who ya le Melissa? It does set. Hey baba. Filo. Matia filore. E filoro no sua. Filo. Philo. Happy star, my brother. Philo.
Philo
Where?
Philo
Where?
Philo Degbe.
Iye gospel power with your brother. Iye gospel power with your brother. Iye gospel power with your brother.
A ministry. Jailo.
Hey, Philo, that they were very Italy.
Yes. Because why?
Okay.
And you know, some man I like where Philo. That ministry, ministry for you to become a seller and don't know what you remember, you are gone.
Umalake Philo when I were part 20 say matter because of money where they give you. Amazo. When Malake Philo because of you go na where when I was video yakbe. Amanu where Malak. Poverty is a disease. Who are watching me there? You will never be poor. Poverty is a disease. May you never be poor. I don't know where you are watching me. I rebuke poverty away from your life. You can never be broke and be like a muzzle. You can never be broke and be like Mama Kevin. Hello, they are not hearing me. Oh, everywhere wants scatter. Oh, God, bazia. Ije.
It's a little idea. It's like way. Totally, I just rule him out. As I see me, celeb on the beat. I will get cut of black and white.
Join me.
No. Where we were celeb? One but they here is Facebook. Philo? Oh, who am I? It's like you have forgotten. It is long. When the yes man start guy Monica Wayale.
After, I see you.
Me yes man view body Monica. I will like bass for me. So I bet you now basic. You were one of the top fans of Umema Talk Show. And no idea anywhere a platform now no boy. Because a platform now I will have support. And me I said Monica we are view body the a platform now why guy why godmother the platform now. Una from a godmother looking for God some black. Because he got away. Then
Uragwe ebo isaloboa Uragwebo Chelsea ebo Chelsea no zua in Nigeria 50-30 years old Okpene bona keta loge ma wa doti we agwebo Amazua when agwebo when ogwe Chelsea bo wa 50-30 years old woman a choice her name is choice hey baba her name is choice. Everybody go why they brainwash all of you now. This is the way they are brainwashing you guys in edokpayi space. Una come edokpayi space, all the name of say will be presenter. Make we they use our mind to tell una truth. Now like how many part because of stomach infrastructure. Because of stomach infrastructure. This boy is telling you guys saying how he boy stay with for years. You know you have deceive wire. You know you have deceive wire. Mona can't hear the way they tell Mama gospel was say go and say me go marry pikin, me be born for a pikin. Yes, go yeah gospel and I pretend him be ya tie bono ogbeli ya. E bono ogbe je gospel ba gbeli ri e. E bono ogbe fraki gbeli ye kevi gbeli ye kevi ya o. Ya na ya tie bo gbegbe yan. Mona listen to matter. Mona the year record. Mona year record. Not be me play. Mona year.
Philo, c'est que dire. When I spend donators, now donators spend within the whole universe. Because you think I will be like your dog, your son, your useless wayward son? Philo, why you went for already any gospel?
No.
Don't I?
No. No. Philo, what went for where gospel?
They will get a move where they can get don't want to believe. Déjà, nous working a gospel. A gospel now we're called with 6. There we go. 6. Umami okpano wa agaso we ona ma we no ye. Philo we ma. We no want to single mother.
Women. When I know they follow ye ma again. Imagine this boy have condemned 6 women now as a single mother. A boy now that a God's power, he has condemned 6 women without not getting one for us. He got a more when I wait to batter. When I listen to Birek. When I listen to Birek. What I Birek say now.
Philo, c'est qu'à dire. When I spend donators, now donate spend within the whole universe. But you think I will be like your dog, your son, your useless wayward son? Omo ebiera.
Iji.
Omo na. Philo, whoever or where the gospel one?
Okay.
Do time.
Okay.
If not, see not ma.
All time, man. All time, man. Man, no.
Philo. Dès que les mouvements, dès que nous don't voir mobile, déjà nous working the gospel power. A gospel now we call with 6. Then we go. Umami okpa wo agaso we ona ma we no ye. Philo we ma. We no what single mother. We are think we ma say we no bielo. No biele no you we. What make you think we ma say ya? We what dey na test ye bona na.
Oma ozwa.
When I travel, we are few we ma say mona. There to we mo we are just going to be go true. Why na have me neck we dey to go boy we go. Dès qu'on va pour les appeler, we go. So room. So we room go where ti marry.
We Philo. E Philo we ya lay. Ogun ga gbo be yin nu ke nu riri aje Philo. E Philo we ya lay. Iye gospel wa we ya lay ya. Mo na share iyan ni share video wo yi. What iye gospel wa gun le, iye gospel wa. We ya lay. U e baby agbo yi. Iye gospel wa e baby wa wu yi. Ye God's power, a baby wa we. Who ya lay ye God's power? Ye God's power, don't listen, no zua. You can't tell who a nero we be me walk be webu. A me do this obuwa. Some of you don't take for abroad. Una head not correct again. Ye God's power, don't go anywhere. Uga iga be le a baby wa we. Ye God's power see for darkness. Don't let me see you for darkness. A baby wa we. Listen to yourself, ye God's power. Listen.
Omona, Philo, whoever or where the gospel one? Do time. If not, see not ma.
We no do time. Oh.
If be a gane
Be a gane who.
Philo, dès que les mouvements, dès que nous don't voir mobile, déjà nous working the gospel power.
Okay.
A gospel now we call with 6. Then we go. Umami okpa wo agaso we ona ma we no ye. Philo we ma. We no what single mother. Where think we master you no biele no you where
no man
what make you think we master
ask me rikpe where
Philo when I travel we are few we master mona there to we mo we are just going to be go true why na have me neck where they don't go boy we go we go so room so no room go where ti marry
Iji. Mona si mata.
Because see my fellow way. When I believe you get it's more feel wayeki. When you are tiguma.
Iji.
Who are we?
Iji.
I say do where to go social media. And when what's in Yamika go cook it. A can't only with again, Gabo again coming. Now you get why I can work. Now you get where come to be when I bet whether you are good. And never you. Mota. But when I'm going with 6, impregnated 6 women, you still get mad to talk like you.
Oh wow.
You believe, say, I tell you, we got one like me.
Oh, if I born like me. Rikpe, if I born like me, we are born like me, mama. Rikpe, if I born like you, if I born like me, we are born like me, mama. Oh, Rikpe, Gumagoa. Rikpe, Gumagoa.
A gospel now we call with 6.
Where?
Then we go. Umami okpa wo agaso we ona ma we no ye. Philo we ma.
People where they follow this boy. Inyari Owase. He representer this period they go collect. And what I yagbelu why matter. People where they follow Fracomonzuo. I beg you to wa follow. Wa lelo man. Oh. Wa bege we o no wa lele here. Do ma net igbe ye Kevin me wa gie. Je Kevin. 5 years ire nu wa. Mama Kevin na me be gbogbo go ask 5 years ire nu e. Mo gbogbo ya no. Mo gbogbo ya no 5 years ire nu e. Ya go akpe video no ya gbo e ya. E say won wa separate when you river why ya separate. Obe ni you river why ya separate here. We start. Iru wa be on here ya separate. When we separate we will see no social media kana. He already separate with the man we start. It is say we not go know. They separate with contract. Like do your man, do my own. Do your man, do my own. And then you separate. Now you is hunting for a better man not to marry. Bini man when they say no good, now you is fine now. Bini man when you don't come on lies. Eh you gualona. Tomorrow, now go here for Frank and Mama Kevin. Una go here. Una list it first. Una fair listing.
Oh, it's like I forgotten. It is long.
This boy have a mental disorder. This boy that is talking, he has a mental disorder. He has a mental problem. No. He has a mental disorder. He pay me say, lady, I bear you a fall for this guy hand. He pay me. Just that the time way I take on the rescue lady, I bear you are, the time was so late. Many people don't want a body. I think I'm the last person which she can't accept. I believe I'm the last person where let lady Abiyayiwa can't accept. I hear MC Happiness they talk. That one I just they talk. If I come for MC Happiness, you go run a task. The business when me and MC Happiness do, MC Happiness never talk her. Where lady Abiyayiwa pay for her. MC Happiness is a ladian way. I believe say you go run a task. MC Happiness, I see I say you can't lie. You the post me to lady Abiyayiwa for body say the woman they lie. MC Happiness. See, when I share this part, go give her say, if I hear pay for a mat again, I'll come expose her. Mona tell MC Happiness say don't pray they send a message. Say, oh no we say ne, or that one igi wune, or don't ladder do atali nonsense. Iga ladder MC Happiness. MC Happiness, no say me and you do business. Because I lock up. MC Happiness. I be MC Happiness at ye, what ye? A boy ni no do guye jego. I be MC Happiness in the color. When I share this part, go give us it. If I hear pen for a mat again, if I hear pen, waiting consanity lady Abiyayiwa. If I hear pen, I can't expose her. No, I beg Agbon. Where Agbon na? Fear human being. Fear human being. The business when me I see this guy do, business when me MC Happiness do, it go wrong. That boy eat the money. Now this woman Esther paid your money. He paid your money. Lady Abiyayiwa, he stand and paid your money. Today now, because the woman don't pay, ulaja do atali no say MC Happiness. Eri we J. MC Happiness, eri J. E go me laja no MC Happiness. Don't let me vex for you, at the paro. MC Happiness. If he anyway, the man share this thing, say, if I hear pay for a mat, if I hear pay him again, you know the shame MC Happiness. Woman we don't support you do everything. Why you the best frag? No zoo, no bully you na wu. Why you start the bad way? Now he make me know. Now he make me. If you can't make you know, call. Talk about good about the woman. Which I say the woman they lie. The woman they lie. Okay, I know fact, but I'm when he was helping you, no matter what Tori. Me and you do business go wrong. Now once the woman say I beg, I will pay the whole money. And you know say the woman I pay the whole money. You know MC Happiness. But today now, if I don't hear pen, it don't find a yakwa. May they see no I'm boring. You have to wait here, boy Jujuji. You go bring Juju come and see. May you go bring Juju come. I know say we don't have to see truth. Why but pretend what my beg? I go and reply truth. Oh, I go and reply truth. Nike back barubara we, ek barubara. Lady Abiyayiwa, you are sponsor a chopper. A quito show but pretend the man. A quito show pretend say never hear. Say don't pretend say he has sponsor a dupe this woman. He dey pretend say never hear. But when I thought say he pay us rent on her, he hear only that one. Now see their fake life. A quito show. You dey pretend now say you know hear. When don't pretend they shout online say this woman 12 now. You dupe with sponsor say they go UK. And who they go UK never get document. A quit option get document. May cost you if you get document. Quit option not get document. But I can't expose you now. Say you are sponsor that job this woman. You come and call the lie. Okay, social media president. 3, 2, 4. Mama International.
Hello.
Mama Wato.
Hello.
Mama Itwe.
Hello, my phone is speaker, don't please talk back.
Speaker.
Hello, my good people. Thank you so much. Happy Easter to you all. Please, guys, share this video. It's very important. Words. When you don't have it, you know why important, you know. So I'll say that a picture is don't please move your knee. O could not do a good review. I bear you what. No, when you hear Melissa, kill or there's no fake go to Facebook. Mon send the picture ni gear. Ne dia Friday vivant. Oh yeah, we do we berige. Without not even putting obituary paper.
Plug it down.
Wa dan le oh we vient demain. On a gabia you wa wa any case so que doit de we. You already mo sisi la mo wa do mo si va vivre wo wa. Do vio me ko di ya fe ya te bo landis. Ya se gbek bo. Okun ya pa you wanna be. So now, que doit de that's another petition rule in Nigeria. But we understand even now. So now, I am more vision in senior Sakmama. On in our years 5. Vision in that time, April, August, Berige, April 9. Then, the private baby police station near the baby invited Paris 5. Or the baby that way, April 15, August, Berige. Or even the baby. Dove ke iparawe alternative the that way August, first week of August. Only we burial. So these 3 dates, by these 3 times now, Madam Murioyo. Now I am in the corner. This woman went to maybe on Thursday and what my Abuja Kedwadi according to the reliable source in Mati. According one out here, wa ni allow. Yema do yema and he married you no bugbe. Ye got a few of that woman's friend near attended Berigi. A woman disclose in location ma our little me then he got the Tenoritiane while ye are to so time. When we buried you and on Friday, that was near Javima. Where you Abuja by now, can't you look at the time we are here? They were here with the period or what waiting a boy or Hamagin away or what? Address me all in my boy, Ladia. Address them mutually now, Muja, I'm a printer. Now, when I'm in the corner, Corona Tota Abuja, Magatoria, moving again. A soldier, okay, or day, we're almost late, ne? You know the obviously what the addressikunie you know the conseiller ya kinya always said the work pariano always sojana surrender deliver or when he came you know only lagoture or when man he tell le yeah maybe 6 or 5 only or we an yok pare le legbe because of mave or what agboga rieki oga reya or you masoto or we make him of your a goat but you went up to prison.
Wow.
According to this woman, or we marry more view go to well. Yana be atai, when you go is sort of a ikuna. Even service of Songama Unije when it tana.
Yeah.
No, no, suppose no be mujari nana Thanksgiving Omau Udamiovena. Or when why a rush Kapuja, you know why a lawiku. You know what if you on a why wash. Because on a call man one my brother, what think you walking around? Wash maybe I'm maybe away in my guana away. I'm with you to Venetia. No, then your pa or what's up, Jane.
Imagine. Beg evil doers.
What dagger?
Evil doers. Because when who are matter don't know any slight mistake, when I feel pick at any time, you go get problem.
Okay.
Or who are picking at any time, now she will get problem. And I drill it. What the matter? If they drill this woman, now they go talk truth.
Yeah, People where even go the burial. Now some now do you know where I got this picture? This picture just came from Oma that's one he invite. But no man invite in here. Or two man here Denmark. Or ya get Denmark screenshot the picture. He picture ya lay. Oma show me up by media.
Even no presenter no be post eh. Nye na wa post eh ya no presenter no post eh. E wa me na get me sunu. Click on share fear no accusation.
Il y a bon il y a Ijoma aserewu asere mu eleya.
Egbe wo eh.
Ero mana aserewu asere mu eleya. Ero na yeski minawu. Ana America do in Nigeria.
Okay.
Bere ana show ni ya social media.
Okay.
Le destiny ba gwa bere wu social media re mo yi. Osula rara social media re mo yi. Most people ya no wu. Osamore Joseph social media mo yi.
Be fear of our we no. Our we are picking. No una.
So, il y a bon venir yuge, et ni to tawage do pris. Ati ku wa bege na we yon lamo kwa do vie good. Bebe no ya ije na we, e ri o suppose na ya ije wa. Bege. Bege, before bere ani keso ya we mo chori na mu jama on. Amacho emi rokpa o mari eye normally we time mortuary so place time na ya muje la jame mortuary na e ma ya wa ya muja mortuary ve na aya mu e matan ne mi viva it o ma we o ma print be o ma we yebe o ma gbon yebe o ma cho emi o ma disclose emi rokpa social media ona do adiowa o be no be do adiowa muje e ma na me na ebe koti koene koti magiri
correct
koti magiri
ubawe ise ubawe ekenyewe camera jeni wana ati the date a government to be approve the camera la dia
date ni waro the 28th of August
the date ni who was surprised
camera ni wa point yo nuru wa
okay or is set in the camera do bodo vie ma no la wani la dia
very ye get worry ati e we go ara o we enjoy je gase igba e je ga me je mi o ri me o ga ya gba mi gba ni
igba Melissa e je ga me je mi
igba Melissa abia igba e je ga me Deutschland o ye ga me dure adare yo o ye ga me ona ka ye ga me Frankfurt, imagine near war in Frankfurt, on a be Frankfurt, on a la dure. On give la dure, on a the baby, the dure, Move Yara, on a the cade body. Man, he gave me near what there, almost 8,000 euro, Move a Mastercard of it. Then, or even the baby to a on a the baby to Jega, they said, you know, Yanamoyega, they get sketchy. On a be 3-4 years, il carré we payer là. Il est là j'avais gagné. On m'a dit que on se oya Gualimé. De 2016. 2013, un amoué. Un amoué grand. On a de là j'avais 2016. So il y a comme un no all our glitter is gold. Why they move social media? Why beg a picture listen to get on prisoner? But she will buy today. How you get this picture?
If I my bomb on red about space. Yes, sir.
She will wait today where a picture on the movie motto. For you so a boy and I no to post. If me I tell we blogging your naso. But the time, because I send a picture, send the text, give me that was going lawa. Wow. It's too big. If you know, if you don't know, if you don't know, if you know, bien you worry, and Melissa now worry, it's too big.
Yes,
very soon. What to beg you?
Everything must be there. What wash?
No one so bien lo bien fiant au joao. Les power ya fiant. Les jaya yo kweli les power ti. Iye power power la mo wa dora.
No.
Power is a well.
Oh, power ya.
The power is a well. Wa ya dora mo wana. Mo bitana.
Wow.
The power mo siti la mo wa. Even to priest, on the
Yes, no.
the man started from beginning with a power law wadora. Power is aware. Okwori, yeah, tell you always, yeah, do right socket.
Ọgbẹ́lọ̀ ké gbọ́ fún ẹ. Ọgbẹ́lọ̀ ké gbọ́ fún ẹ.
Nonata lọ́kíá, ẹ power must ògùn ṣíṣá o.
Ọgbẹ́lọ̀ ké gbọ́ fún ẹ.
Ẹ power must ògùn ṣíṣá o. Ẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ làbá, iṣẹ́ bí ẹ ti lè lọ ẹ fẹ́. Except your mama ni avio yemi. No, if you are coming in the way, why I was a waga video now. Melissa, all I want to be a go to, and when it's time, Melissa, no, we are going to Melissa Pilotes, all I want, oh my, just oh, Ishama Mariara, then a power Mariara. Madame Ocho. Mama,
after this video now, also I posted burial. We are watch. After
Mada Chakara, Akabama Yati wa Umariara o. O wema Umariara yenye. O wema nunu joto.
Umariara.
Ya we beria. O wema we service of songinwe. O ma print up picture paper. Abamwe naga we wa na negbe ya wa di o ya mwe yo to umariara madame ojo umariara ojo igbinoba omoka we mariara so gbeke ibi ade we no to automate ye umariara ya we beria e woni tamu wa o ile Melissa ma bere ise o every from today na kakwe pa yan wi yin bere to yen lene no te
imagine ma we gbe 2 days we do wa we beria
o said to a Friday evening aku ya say Saturday morning eri awon ya take off to Abuja
bege
so
because when us here or him no any small mistake we ga get
anye church of pari mama e jo le den na ya gbesi na ya re ke hawe Thanksgiving amami o ajo were ajo wije amami o
Olekia.
So police ya go alo so ye leye dore nena egbe ni do tamu wa we yi Melissa o mo ke jo igbinoba Dorisi no we o Shakara no kane ene poeto no we for 20 something years o mariara o ye ma burial say o ye odomwe otat always secret burial why not a secret burial. No, the burial in Auna, she was not having a friend. She does not even know anybody in that burial. Aro exist in that any opa or what viano in table. Aro exist in your fine. Our mind was not at rest. So I went to do so thank you, Don Priest. Ujua mi. Osabo adebawe. Ematawe erigbuwe. No gboye matawe. Wa yo weri lenti.
Yan we agwa.
We agwa. You send yan. So carry on.
We see. Wa beg even no ya explain ya. If you do, wa beg no ya explain ya. She explain her where the one now to understand. For those of them who know the hear Bini, make her use small English to explain her small. She said this woman, whether they call Melissa P, now I can pack her good for us, allegedly. Because this allegedly is a very soon, we know they put allegedly. Because very soon, camera will show. The people who can't do one, we go see all of them. And maybe don't praise. You got your boy, you toto. So now, this woman, now when they call Melissa P, he lost her mother in Benin, Edo State, Nigeria. He lost her mother for a very long time. This woman not going to go do better because of this gold where they drag and she can't bring. She said no, she carry gold. No, not be you carry gold. They say this woman has go do mama burial. The burial. This woman get many presenters. We be her friends. Nobody post burial. Now they hear me so. He want to do a secret. Oh no, this woman. Everybody know this woman. Now media person. Now person where they show itself. He want show say she dey well. Everywhere go. She's a big woman. Fake life. Not many parts where those about space. Fake life. Every day we they talk about fake life. No, they believe. Fake life everywhere. This woman you are seeing, Melissa, now, she went to Benin to do her mother burial in a hidden place. She came from Abuja on Friday, and the burial was on Saturday. I'll be on Friday night, I don't know. After the burial, on Saturday morning, this woman ran away from Benin again. Because why? They say where she even sit down. Now so he passed soldiers around down. She asked me where this woman passed soldiers around the body. Why she dey fear? Who walk by you? They say after that morning, this woman take her back to Abuja again. Now see life. Fear people. And now they say that 3 times this one don't go prison for Germany. For stealing matter. For thief matter. This one don't go Germany. He don't go prison. 3 times for Germany. What did they go prison for? Now thief issue. This social media president wife say God's power know about this matter, but not be God's power come here ass. But Frank Victor, the Omozu of our time, the only boy where he use 3 flats 10 knock to toe. Now he don't on the ground. He never get ass again. He never get ass abroad. Now make people they call her Omozu. Is one of the biggest Omozu we have in the Dosaba space. You hear me, so? So as I'm telling you now, she confused this woman, what they call Mama God's power. Very old woman, where they look for small pikin, small children, bola. Confuse this woman to go and be laying curse on his child. When this woman, when they know say that they packet good, they go they lay unnecessary curse. They go they lay unnecessary swear. That go viral. All of us see swear we go viral that time. Fossa, Imafidon, God bless you, my personal person. What all? Una they hear me, my people. Wanna share the video, make other person for the see what they happen for Edosaba space. This boy called Frank Victor, the Omozu of our time. He has been an evil in Edosaba space. This boy is the one that tell this woman that Mama God's power should go and marry to her son and start giving birth to her son. I never hear the video. I'm not listening. I'm not listening my platform now. I'm not see when Frank Omozu tell Mama God's power to go and marry her son and be giving birth to her son. But they can't change us in a door priest talking. They can't go to swear because social media are fake. The way Quit Talk Show they do now. Quit Talk Show now they edit different till they come out. Even when me and Lady Abioiwa they do things, here Quit Talk Show they do things again. You never they say Quit Talk Show again because they use truth till they beat Quit Talk Show. Quit Talk Show now have to go and be editing rubbish. If I go edit one WhatsApp, say that Don't Priest TV, say that me get the WhatsApp. Quit Talk Show, Bini user make parable say. They don't say me small pikin not talk. So far if you read the time, me see big man they talk where. If they hear me so, Quit Talk Show, I go bring juju come. Everything when they post, say na me doing. If na me read doing, all my children will die for my eye. Did they hear me so? Quit Talk Show, I know they play, I know they do saga with una call the fake una life. Me na be Don Prince. All those things when they post, if na really say na Don Prince, na he get all those print where they print come out. All my children will die for my eye. Even me, Don Prince, I will never live long. But if not be me, say the forger, Quit Talk Show, Rita will die for your eye. You will die. Your children will die. Everything that come close to you, all the fans where they follow you, where they comment. See, I say they go they buy one by one. Oh, any car walking like belly and papa. Or Vianney go down like belly and papa. Azemo so like belly and papa. And when he are lucky, say you one man in a miogo. You got it, no fit moje of Yaga Bellian. Oh, look, no, no, Bogak Bellian. Ije no magasinya koto. Erita no zua. No ya comment way because say na your goddaughter or my very fair. Rita, ojuju the load. If na me, get what Quit Talk Show they post so. For if they watch this, you know they laugh. Quit Talk Show they watch me they laugh. For a man, I go to say they. Now me and you they do yeah saga. Now maybe Don Prince, I know they do fake saga. What man that Don Prince? I know they do saga with fake. You they hear me so? I can't they do saga with fake. Now maybe original, Don Prince. I don't do fake saga. I don't do saga or I call the pull life of person body. I don't do that. Just to impress people for what? Just to impress people? I don't do that. The account where this woman they send money for me. I don't want to show now here. They hear me so? The account is Evans Ugbogbo. Now the woman tell they send me money. Evans Ugbogbo. I never get it them with the Ugbogbo as account. Even when no get know their account. When we they do meeting, and that account I send give everybody where they put money. Evans Ugbogbo. Everybody know. Many presenters know that my account where business at the bring a come at Evans Ugbogbo. But this one I go they bring Idemudia Ugbogbo because he hears say Idemudia Ugbogbo na my name. He go use and create this thing. Go see Rita fans. Me get it fans Rita ma be screen was wa. E fans Rita vio here. Me many ma just go see baba social media illiterate book be illiterate. I say le comment na luya severio. I say na comment na luya severio. We go they do original things. Me no say Edosa Baspe no like original things so. Edosa Baspe they no like original things so. Fake things they used to fake things so. My people, they are not hearing me. Oh baba. Hello, they are not hearing me. Edosa Baspe I've used to fake. They not believe in fake. If you are doing original things, if they look at say you they play. Anyway, you are more warrior. If you do what is no, we don't like truth again. I'm not getting temata. A quito show. Don't you wear vembo? The way I swear, so quito show go swear. If na me get all those things where they bring come out for social media, I use my children swear. If na me get what they bring come out, I use my children swear. You don't know what they play quito show. This I be a Rita where they do fake life. You this I be Rita where they use fake. They feed the fans. I not be Rita. I know be Rita Zimbabwe wife where they use fake they feed the fans. Now maybe Don Prince. If I they do something, they do it clear. So that in case they go bring juju tomorrow. You don't know be Don Prince. See this mama gospel will bring juju now. Mama Linda, God bless you. Somebody say now, wow, who to believe again in this life? I never see anything. Now they follow the Rita. They follow. No, not say this social media fake. How many pass? Madam Linda Peter. Social media fake obuse. Those are fake yambu fake obuse fake. Many na fake. When I listen to Omozuo, what ye gospel worry? When I listen to Omozuo, when I listen, when I listen. When I listen.
Because you are not way. When I believe you get it's not feel wayeki. When you are tigwa, who are we? I say, do it social media. And when what's in Yamika go out cooking you. A can't do it with again, Gabo again coming. Now you get why I can away. Now you get where you can be away. Oh, when I bet whether you are going, and never you. But
when I listen,
when I'm going to 6, impregnated 6 women, you still get mad to talk like you.
Real Odogwo Deshi.
You believe, say, I said,
Real Odogwo Deshi, Genagije. Erita, Owazua. The man Erita, Maje school, Erita na fake doctor. Somebody say fake doctor. Rita is a fake doctor. Rita is an illiterate. Rita Kokobiri. The man illiterate, you know, those about space. Go see the way Queen they use the head. Ekwe walo. Ekwe awam we fake something like that. Anybody not come Ekwe wa reply. Anybody not come Ekwe wa reply. Ekwe walu ya Ekwe wa gie wo wana. Awas wo bu seve to saba space. Ekwe elede to show. Awa gie na we. E fase retire wa zua. Elede wa gie yana. Could you believe say Don Prince tell elede say come out, come debunk. If I lie against you, say, you are sponsor and not do pabio you are. Ekwe mabalada do ta. Don Prince akana. Don Prince akana. Si you no let quick come out say na lie they talk. Oh yeah, I'm edited. Oh yeah, when I go a platform, I go see what they edit. Fake. Very fake. Very fake. Ene rita veta mewe la rina fake igbe. na fake be ikesa na fake erita ya comment yiwa erita ya comment yo erita egbogbe erita ni o ke Zimbabwe wa we no we are Zimbabwe we no we are Zimbabwe egbogbe ni kokobiri ne Zimbabwe egbogbe o say the lolo mana like you a lolo maba like you because we dag erita lolo keduriri aje egeni yaro wi we lolo nation egeni yaro wi we you regret e mama nu we lolo nation o mama nu we o de ko bete ba mu da na wa aro wi we lolo very organic woman o we mi oge ne very organic ewe mi ozuo we ne rita zuo na oga lolo no lolo ka observe. Oh, yeah, observe we again na eri because she don't want people to drag her name fake. Because Rita is a illiterate, oh, fake doctor, no, you have this even one. Me pet or ya hospital. Rita, why a pet have the David hospital or you want that way is a doctor. Rita is Azagala with Rita. Me not a doctor. Rita, me not a doctor. Where you parted the day you the hospital, where you Ladia, who am a doctor. Rita, show us the way you wash pants. Rita, show us the way you wash pants in hospital. A party where you are, a session and a party where you are saloa. Ime who fake is severe. A quito show don't expose you well now. A quito show expose you to the world that you are a fake doctor. I will post it for your life. You come and say be doctor again. Who are we tell with doctor? Yeah, what say you are a fake doctor. A doctor no maji school. A doctor no do aje school doctor we webu. A doctor we do aje school doctor when no J school na ya pete di oma de dey. You will come out to say you are a doctor. Ezazaga Allah we be. I'm coming for you. We made the video now about the cake no course anyway. But the way people they call me. That they say, I know they met this girl. Why is there your all those things is fake? If you not be fake, may come out for video, may swear the way I swear so. If you not the fear, say nah true they talk. May come out for live video, say swear, say don't please. If not be you girl these things, may use the picking swear, may use the last swear. If you feed one. This video when me they do so, you go pretend say no see. This video when me they do so, you go pretend say no see. You get one girl where they call Mohammed. What is it? A fancy no go tell them, say, see what they talk now. When you are a Muri, I know we are Mohammed, that man, or go tell them now, say, don't praise they debunk the lies. Make it swear, say, don't use the picking, swear, say, now you get all those things where quit the post. Make we come across swear like this. I don't attend no be original people. Make we come across swear. And let the talk show come across swear. If now me get those things where they post. Bell. Fake life wa me mo don prince ya is a luwa e fraki mo ime wa man no say ona mo ame o wazuo we me wa se mozuo o mozuo see dey fear me ama we na miskin o mozuo no gbelu wa ya mo he see dey fear me ama we na miskin e miskin we here a queen egun la we ya la we gbera awozuo he ga comment here platform we ame man izuwa ni dey fake account we give me original person. Emmanuel, okay, got comment to your post. Listen to a Mozuo. No, be your gospel why? Listen. Or walk your gospel why? Listen.
At your age. A celeb boy will tell you my dear.
Wow, he said the boy where Mama Gospel was the friend. Say Mama Gospel was senior rank. He said the boy where Mama Gospel was the friend. He said Mama Gospel was senior rank. Na from Victor the talk so my people, they are not hearing me. Hello, they are not hearing me. My people, Matade. Oh, what are they listening?
What? Oh, when I'm going with 6, impregnated 6 women, you still get mad to talk like you. Oh, You believe say I tell you we about law we feel. Feel to sumuwa.
He still get mad they talk for live video, boy. They call your live video, they talk. Because he don't give money now. Now, but because he has given you some money, now you now know that he does not have right to talk because she's a shameless mama God's power. Eba when get shameless woman. Eba when get shameless woman. Ubega bungwa. Uwa yezu ozo. Now maybe don't prince. Now maybe if you come for me, you are a problem. If I come for you, you are a problem. If very dark man, they talk, I might not say on that time. If I'm doing, you come for me, you are a problem. Oh, I come for you, you are a problem. Oh, not be lie. Oh, very dark man. Oh, God, eh? Very dark man. Now, ma you be. Hey, Baba, mona ye mata. Mona ye kiset.
Woni nyati gwa. Uwa wiye. I say, do it to where social media. And when what's in your go, I cook it. A can't only with again, Gabo again coming. Now, you get why I can away. Now, you get where I can be away. Oh, when I bet whether you are going, they're never real.
Wow, now, yeah.
Oh, when I'm going to 6, impregnated 6 women, you still get mad to talk like you. Oh,
okay.
You believe, say, I tell you, we about love and feel. Feel to sumuwa. Ashawo de gwemu. Inota.
Yeah, we. Let's
welcome Mama Philomena.
Uzwa. Ugbewa.
Magano, Oguno Odu. We're not dealing with one of you. Nusu, I will have moved a padama, then I will away. Nupapua, Nepagua. And will I move both on the quality of the or say, in that move, everyone will unite you. A yellow radio, may not get of it. Complete for yourself, but when I see the club with us, that be our club with this. Larry? Up my bill way, Abugana, or go bijou me. Up my bill way, Abugana, my bill with the yellow radio. I say, Clover, I be back. Wait, me, you know the way gay. When I look the clothes. When I listen. Why not have been where they don't go boy, they don't go boy, the way so rema room. So when rema room go wetty marry. Or never wetty marry. I bet you are close, that they wear. Because you must say no way. I bet you are close. I believe you get it's not feel wayeki. If only nyati gwa. Who are we? I say do it to social media. And when what's in your go cook it. A can't only with again, Gabo again coming. Now you get why I can away. Now you get where come to be away. Oh, when I bet whether you are going, they're never real. But yeah, gospel, what's here? 6. Impregnated 6 women. You still get mad to talk like you. Oh, you believe, say, I tell you, we about love and feel. Correct. Feel to sumuwa. Are we here? Are we here? Inota. Are we here? Filekia. Eh, we here. No, Filekia, UK. Ijo. Filekia. No, Filekia. A celeb will fed my dear. But I'm yet where you want to again. What's it when I do one again? A celeb will friends don't like you. I don't do the Facebook. What will I do? And then you walk again. Where? I don't Magano, Oguno. Where not you know one of you? Nusu, I will have moved a padama, then I will away. Nupapua, Nepagua. EJ. Mata. I will have moved both on the quality of the or say, in that move, everyone will unite you. A yellow radio, may not get of it. A wabia you are.
I bet you a cloth.
Filo de biagia. Nigwenu. Also, I never to put up. As I want to pay on Facebook. I can't be on Facebook. A very long don't know my way. You don't call my wife and everybody. You don't make Benoit. Post the barrier. It's not my child. Who cares?
Where go?
Since we're here, I think we're marrying. Why you go the DNA test will be? Why you couldn't do for DNA test in your hand?
Ask her.
The time you don't come alive, though, those should eat.
Okay.
They don't defeat. All the ministry, all the ministry of women. Who were that you carry? How you went away? Feel no thing. How you went away? No, get what when the code was 6. I mean, I'm going your way. They can tell you, my one. Why you start the body of the battery? Wow.
See matter.
Useless mother. Ukunozua. Feel no mind why I see I. It be a gani win. Salwa bookie. We believe go and give me hard do I if forgive him.
Where?
Who be again?
What are listening? Oh, we forgive him. What about yet do? When I listen, where we forgive him.
They don't go boy, we go. They don't go boy, we go. So room. So from the room, we waiting marry. A can't only move again, can't again come. Now they get why I can wait.
Where? Oh, give me. God's power, what is you again? Where you go? Oh, be boy again, where you go? God's power. When I listen.
I mean, where can you go? When I bet whether you are going, and never you. Water. Oh, when I'm a corner with 6, impregnated 6 women, you still get mad to talk like you. Oh, yes. I can't be again on Facebook. A very long don't know my way. You don't call my wife and everybody.
See matter.
You don't make Benoit.
Matter deo.
Post the barrier.
Filoma amigo ya we beria. Amigo ya atiebo. Amigo ya we beria. Amigo ya atiebo.
Not with a good DNA test. You know not do DNA test. It's not my child. Who cares? Since we're here, I think we're marrying. Why you go the DNA test will be? Why you couldn't do for DNA test on your hand? The time you don't come alive, though, those should not eat. They don't defeat. All the ministry, all the ministry of women. Who were that you carry? How you went away? Feel no thing. How you went away? No.
Philo, we are qui vient va sauver na. Philo, we are qui vient va sauver na. Et Philo mieux vivre na. Et Philo, tap moi don prince, ya meta mawe. Ya meta mawe moi don prince. Ou ga mieux vivre na, moi don prince. Philo, if you see sleep, ou mieux vivre. Ove ya gbove you Philo ga gbove. Shame and disgrace. They finish you, Philo. If we move with your God's power. Your God's power, you not ashamed that you were so stupid. The boy na ga gbu again. Malaja do support you. We forget. Oh, we forget we. The boy na gbu again. Now we are the one supporting you. But today, my way gbe. We na de ba rien. Obi we na si we wala. We de na zoa. It didn't verify. It didn't know. Listen to your muzzle.
What when the code was 6? I mean, I'm going your way. A can't tell you, my one. Why you start and you are the wow. Useless mother. Ukunozua. Feel no mind why I see I. Ibi agane winu. Wa salwa ni buki. I believe go on with me ha do atalo. Ifo kifo. Filo. We be agane. Iyan lo live video. E kini ado ni gbe lo ado live video. I mean they pretense. Ya pretend ama wana go ya kwa le kibi ka Facebook. Filo no ya gbe. Filo. Usaka no ko ka na la obi filo mami. It's a little weird. So ya kwa le kibi ka. A small boy always a
small boy.
Rubbish.
Ola do akume go small boy we ye gospel power. Ye gospel power afian wu. Small boy we. Small boy.
No.
We say no pie. Iyo bi we e we ofsilo. Your children age mates. You are a disgrace to the public.
Are we a sweet mother? Who is sweet mother when I did by court?
See matter. Oh yeah, they cut Larry.
Sweet mother.
Oh yeah, they cut pere. Oh yeah, they cut. Gume, my go yeah, they cut. Do tam me cut inoji, they cut inoji. Almost wo. Which cut pikin dey? Let me know. Tell me.
Mother, oh when I did by court.